way!
Uh-oh.
What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, Always the Boost GT500, coming at you with another video, man. Before we dive into this video, please hit that like, hit that subscribe, and also hit that bell notification button, man, so you can know when I'm dropping new videos like this, man. Support the boy, support the channel. It really goes real far. But let's dive into this video, man. As you can see, I got this nice box here from Strange Engineering. I have ordered some 35 spline axles with the 5/8 wheel studs. I got the spool diff, the C eliminator kit, the whole shenanigans for the GT500, man. So that's, I want to see what these bad boys look like in person. So, you know, I ordered these a few weeks ago. It finally came. This will hopefully beef up my little rear and the back, because no one wants a weak rear. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, they ain't light. Wow. How can we do this? All right. I guess I could just pop out one. This bad boy ain't light. This bad boy is not light. Okay, we got the hardware here. Got the brackets. See if I can get one of the diffs out. How are we gonna do this? Okay, it's not too bad. Not too bad. Not too bad. Ooh. Ooh. And he got these bad boys zip tied in. Wow. Okay. So, what do I do with my knife? What do I do with my knife? Well, let's cut this bad boy out. Okay. Got that out. Ooh, these things ain't light. I thought they'd be a little lighter, but yeah, these things are beefy, man. Look at this. 35 spline. Check this out. Real beefy. Look at how thick these wheel studs are. These should not break. These should be able to do some hard launches. So I'm talking about. I also have them pressing the bearings and everything from Strange. They do all that. So it makes the installation a lot easier. Yeah, man, not bad. What you guys think? Can you see that? I ain't gonna front this. This got some weight. Definitely got some weight. I'll put that right there. Hopefully it don't fall off. You know? What else we got in here? Let's see what else we got in this box. I guess it's the wheel studs. Alright. Got some bolts. That's all for the wheel studs and whatnot. All the hardware in this box. I guess it comes with some shank lugs. That'll work. Use some of that. It comes with some new shank lugs. That's nice. That's nice. Put that there. The other axles in the box, obviously. Let's see what this is. Assuming the spool should come in this box. You know. Oh yeah, this is the spool here, guys. Nice, here you go. Pretty simple. I mean, I don't know too much about this stuff, but I just know it's better. Nothing too much in this that can break. Everything looks nice and beefy to beef up that 8.8 rear. So hopefully, man, when I get this installed, this will be my worries of anything breaking the rear. Also, I'm hoping this helps out with this. I always had a slight rear noise in my rear, like a little humming noise. So maybe by us replacing all that stuff inside the rear, maybe that noise will go away. But yeah, you got it, man. Got the spool, got the axles, hardware, brackets, you know. Not pretty much something, leave that right there, you know. Shout out to my guy Chuck over at C&D Auto for hooking me up on this order and whatnot, man. But guess we leave it with that, man. Here you go, the Strange Engineering 35 spline axle kit for the GT500 with the spool, 5/8 wheel studs. this bad boy should be able to handle some hard launches. That's all I'm talking about. That's all I really need, you know? So thank you for checking in the video. Holla back at your boy. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. And, you know, wait for the next one. I mean, I got a lot of parts to put on the car, man. I know a lot of people keep asking, where's the car? Have any of the parts been installed yet? They have not been installed yet because I'm still waiting on like 2 more parts. That's been kind of on back order for like 6 months now. So as soon as those parts come, the whipper will go on, everything will go on, and we'll do everything at one time, man. But thanks for checking in, and I keep everyone updated. Peace.